Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra, where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 82 of our 100-day price action challenge, and finally, we have seen a reversal. We have been expecting this pullback from the last 2 days. I've expected this on Friday or on the Monday, but even yesterday it was very strong market. Today we have seen a pullback. The surprising factor is only Nifty is in green, or in fact, it is just flat. While as you can see here, right, Nifty Microcap down 2.5% almost. That's a brutal pullback. I did not expect to have such big magnitude pullback. Why do you think the Nifty is green? Because IT index is up today. Yesterday it was down. Today IT index is up 1.3%. If not for the IT index, it would have been same thing. Look at Nifty Junior. It has seen a brutal fall. You can see here, right? This is the zone we have been thinking. It needs to close above this zone. It needs to close above this zone. Again, somewhere around here, we have seen that resistance happening here. Even the Nifty 100, I think we can just draw a line somewhere around here. This is near time resistance happening on the Nifty 100. You can see mid cap is down 1% from almost from the top of the day. It is down 2.2%. So even that's a little bit, this will bit pullback. But decent, at least on the mid cap, it is a decent pullback, even on the small cap. But the only thing I'm really concerned about is the micro cap. It is from the top, it is down 3.5%. That's a massive, massive fall happened on the micro cap. I know your portfolio stocks have been little bit disturbed today because of that huge fall. So let us wait for a few more sessions. Finally, I'm a little bit relieved. Even one or two of my stop losses has been hit today. I have exited the positions at no cost break even. But I'm actually relieved because I was really scared that where is this sharp V-shaped recovery was going to. It has to put some end, and finally it has happened today. Look at Nifty 500, but this is acting very well. This is the kind of actual pullback we need to expect. Of course, Nifty large cap is the major weight here. That's why we are seeing a decent pullback. The same thing happening on the Nifty total. Even the India VIX was up again 3% today, but later it has cooled down. Look at gold now tightly consolidating here. That's a very good chart. Even the silver is also doing the same thing. Bank Nifty. See, that's what I want a pullback. Such a strong, strong, strong pullback. See, very little. It did not even shake, did not even tested yesterday's low, did not even went half the way through yesterday's rally. That's what the strength should be looking like. Private banks. But look at PSU Bank. I've been always little bit skeptical about PSU banks, and now we can see that this is the major another resistance zone in the PSU bank. You can draw something like this or like this, but let's see. This is the near term resistance for PSU bank. IT yesterday Nasdaq was up 2%, almost 2.5 with a gap up. That's why we are seeing a strong momentum in the morning in IT stocks. Later it got cooled off. That's why we have seen a little bit correction on the Nifty side too. Auto now consolidating for the last three sessions. This is how I want every single chart to look like right now, because I don't want a V-shaped recovery. I want a sideways move. Reality, same thing happening. Decent pullback. Pharma, the same thing. Infra, same thing. It is a real good price action today. In fact, I'm glad that this has happened. Telecom doing the same thing, healthcare doing the same thing, and media doing the same thing. Now let's see what impacted, what moved, and what actually did not move. Reliance, look at here. Reliance from the top, it was down almost 2%, just within the yesterday's trading range. That's really interesting. Reliance needs to consolidate here before it is making this big move. This 1330 is the crucial level I am watching for. We can say that Reliance has officially bottomed out and trying for a reversal if it breaks above this level. So let's wait for that level. TCS, although it has moved up, but again due to the market correction, it is not looking good. You can just see simple line here. HDFC Bank very strong. Please expect a pullback happening on the HDFC, because from this point we have seen a non-stop rally of 6-7%. Let's wait. Let's have some consolidation here, because such moves are not at all sustainable even on the large cap names. Bharti Airtel, very good stock. See, this is how every single stock should ideally look like. Decent consolidation, slowly moving up and consolidating. ICICI Bank, again, very strong chart, just consolidated. We look at Infosys now trying to close this gap. Very huge correction happened on this name already. SBI, nothing interesting. See, it got rejected at the 785 level. This is the level we have been talking about. This was obvious level, but again, it got rejected this time. Looks like the major resistance is at 785 now. Even the volumes are very high today, so that's a little bit troubling me here. Hindustan United, I think Unilever. Bajaj Finance, very strong chart still holding up these levels. ITC going sideways. LIC now currently just got rejected at this level. HCL Tech, see, very weak name, got rejected before the 50-day moving average itself. L&T holding up, really held up really well today. Mostly today, large cap names have ideally held up today. Maruti got again looking for a reversal here. Kotak Bank, even after making such drastic move, it is just flat. Although from the high, it was down 1.6%, but again, completely acceptable. Look at the strength it is having here. We should not have this V-shaped vertical move. We need to have a smooth, simple 45-degree kind of move. Sun Pharma going sideways, good action. M&M sideways. Ultratech Cement up 3.35%. I think something is up with this stock. Very good price action as of now. Look at the recovery from here. Very sharp recovery. Good stock, but again needs to close above this 12,000 level. Only then I am interested in touching this stock. Axis Bank. Look at here. Massive volumes today. Even it has closed above this level. That's really strong. Expect a little pullback happening on this name too. NTPC, very strong chart. We have initiated somewhere around here. Look at this. Up 10% from that level. Very good chart. Wipro sideways needs to close above this 277 level. Bajaj Finso, yesterday we have talked almost it is at the brink of the breakout, and today you can see a huge move on the upside. Very strong chart, very good chart. ONGC, you can probably extend this line. See here, not that great. Titan very weak. Adani Enterprises, see it is getting rejected at this level, not looking good. Tata Motors again this 720 level, crucial level, probably another. See, from this point onwards, I can say Tata Motors is facing some resistance here. Power Grid, good chart currently holding at these levels. Bajaj Auto, not really that great today. JSW still another powerful chart, very strong name. Adani Ports, now probably it might take a rest on this trend line. See, it's a little bit subjective here again. Dmart, very good on such a weak day. It's up 2.4%. So it is testing these levels. This is the high. 4,000 level would be the psychology. Even today, it has touched 4,000 and closed almost near to 4,000. Coal India, oof, it is coming back below this level. That's a bit concerning for Coal India. Hindustan Aeronautical sharp reversal today. Completely expected because it made a very strong move non-stop from lows. It was up almost 33%. Zomato brutal fall down 6%. Probably this would be the perfect time to short the stock here with a stop loss of somewhere around 4%. But again, do not touch this stock. Very weak name. Nestle going sideways. Asian Paint sideways. Adani Power C got rejected here sideways. Bharat Electronics taking its time, let it take some time. Trend not doing that well actually. Siemens to almost similar chart like Trend. Tata still neatly consolidating. I think we are seeing another tight base, something like this, which happened around here. Let's wait and see. Indigo also trying a little pullback. Let's wait and see Indigo. IOC again got probably rested at this position itself. Let's wait for a few more sessions. DLF not doing that great. Avoid reality name. Grasim going up. Good. I think something happened to cement stocks. Ultratech was had a gap up and good move. Even Grasim too. Varun Beverages not looking well. Not at all looking well. IRFC too. Not that great chart. Vedanta same thing just like Tata. Steel 460. It has rested here. Tech Mahindra. I'm actually little surprised here. I thought the entire IT sector was up. Probably this stock shoe needs to move up, but yesterday it was up already 3.5. Now holding up this level, decent. EV is going sideways. SBI Life probably it might test this trend line or this support level. LTM, nothing interesting. Geo Finance did not correct much today. I think the sellers are gone, I guess. It did not correct much today. Hindalco side consolidating sideways. The Pidilite, don't even look at it. Choppy, Eicher Motors, very strong, but not my kind of setup if I want to take entry. HDFC Life finally settled some very good chart. Currently, it is trying to form here. This level, the 690, 700, you can see psychological number. That would be crucial resistance. Adani Green, not yet. Bajaj Holding, see, it is trying to move up. Bajaj Holding got rejected here. Again, closing was below this level, but even, that's fine. Power Finance Corporation got rejected at this 430 level. Low, the interesting chart, but again, reality is looking very weak. Tipla, now it's taking some time. Let it take some time. Ambuja Cement, nothing interesting happening here. Britannia still sideways. Tola, again flat day. Yesterday it was flat. I like the way it is forming because it is not giving back its gain. It is not moving down. It is just staying there when the market is tough. ABB, you can see you can draw a line here, but again, not yet confirmed bottom. Tata Power again tested this level. See, almost every other chart is coming back to its buy zone. Not good. TVS Motor not doing that great. Godrej Consumer Products slowly moving up decent. Even look at Sriram Finance did not correct much on such weak day. That's the strength of a stronger names. You can see this is another resistance around here 700. BPCL very good actually. I expected it to be coming down, but decent, only down 0.5%. Good chart. Punjab National Bank again the closing almost yesterday's low. It has closed at yesterday's low. That's why I have little bit trust factor on the PSU names. Private banks are doing exceptionally well. That's clearly visible on the charts, but public sector banks are yet to go there. Bank of Baroda, on the other hand, did not correct much. So that's bit interesting stuff happening here. Gale again got rejected, trying to move down. Torrent Pharma going sideways. 3-7, yes, it tried to move up. Unlike Ultratech or Grossum, it has mild positive. It went all the way to 30,000, but again, I want some consolidation on Sri Cement. REC, decent chart, not that great. Tata Consumer Product going sideways. United Spirits, not good. Havels, literally it is stuck here. Naukari. Today Zomato had a big reversal even despite because of IT Naukari was almost up, went all the way up here, but closing is very weak. Dr. Reddy's, I think we can just extend this line. Looks like yes, perfect. Multiple touch points here. It got rejected again here. Dabur not doing that great. Apollo Hospitals too. Nothing interesting here. Hmm, nothing. Not that of a great. Let's wait and see. Zydus got rejected, going down. Union Bank, see, major again. See, down 5% almost from the high. Mother Sumi, just when we thought it is closing above up, now again today we have seen the pullback. In the still, it is getting interesting and interesting. Let's add into our watch list. If it breaks above this level, that would give a good entry point. But got big reversal from that point down 4% almost. I prove interesting holding up still. JSW Energy also another interesting chart. Very good. IndusInd, I've told you right. See, it got broke down here today again. Never try to buy these setups. Adani Solutions, it is forming very good. I like the way it is the tightening up, decent. I want to put an alert here, but market condition is not that great. But let's see. Let us actually let us put an alert somewhere around here. That would be interesting to watch. Posh, see, again from the down, it was down 4%. Major. People call it, I guess, bearish engulfing pattern. Don't go over those patterns, just look at the price psychology. Canara Bank, same scenario, almost same scenario. Motocrops, just flat. NHPC, huge down here. BHL also going down. Adani Total Gas, still very weak name. IRCTC, again, very weak name. Overall, this was much needed pullback. My only little concern is on the microcap. They are not yet there. Large cap stocks, especially our Nifty 100, most of the stocks are showing very good strength, but microcap stocks are not showing that strength yet. I know most of our portfolios are still stuck in small cap and micro cap. I think it is the time to slowly move from small cap and micro cap to large cap. So I hope that you are enjoying the video, and also please fill up the form. It will help me after this series. What can I do and what videos I can put it up. Thanks a lot for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.